A technical design sketch of the monster truck Bigfoot, hand-drawn on a pure white background, central 3D rendering of the truck from a dramatic wide-angle top-front perspective, showcasing oversized wheels, reinforced suspension, tubular chassis, and aggressive body kit surrounding the main rendering. Exploded technical diagrams of independent suspension arms, nitro-charged shock absorbers, and custom V8 engine block bottom left. Cutaway view of the truck's undercarriage with label drive, shafts, and axles top right. Diagram showing tire pressure control system and beadlock will assembly bottom right. Seating cockpit exploded sketch with harness detail and HUD screen top left field sketchbook layout, dynamic composition.